The New York Giants resigned from Week 1 of last season, starting with running back Paul Perkins, on Thursday. The move comes 2 weeks after the day he selected running back Saquon Barkley with the second overall pick in the NFL Draft. Perkins, 23, suffered a pectoral muscle injury, which a source said was a break, before the start of the Giants' off-season training program. He underwent a procedure recently and was suspended with a non-soccer injury designation. Pectoral tears are usually 6-month injuries. That would call into question a good part of the season for Perkins. It is likely that you will not be claimed for the injury, and could enter the reserve/NFI list. That would end his season. The Giants have Barkley, Wayne Gallman, and recently they hired Jonathan Stewart in his backfield. It is likely that Perkins will have to fight for his position on the list independently. Gallman surpassed him in the depth chart in the middle of last season.